Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace your radio control, the upper radio controls. I'm not sure the exact part number, but this whole top portion I'll be swapping. So the reason, to y'all, it probably don't matter, but me, I like my stuff being in pretty much good condition, and a lot of parts from that Maxima is in pristine condition. So I'm swapping the pristine parts out from that one into this one, and the parts from this one into that one. So I'll be having more videos on certain stuff I haven't replaced yet. So as you see, the black is chipping off, and then you see specks on these that's coming off. And then this is the one out of the 2014 Maxima S, and this is in pristine condition, besides me having to clean it up. And then another reason I'm swapping it is because I noticed on this one, it turns sideways, left and right, and it also goes up and down. The one that came on this Maxima, it don't turn left or right, but it does go up and down. And that's on both sides. I'm not sure why it's like that. I'm not sure if something's wrong with this. I got to check on my 2012, because now currently in the making of this video, I'm currently sitting in my 2011 Nissan Maxima SV with the premium and sport package. That is a 2014 Nissan Maxima S. And then the black one is the 2012 Nissan Maxima, and that's also a S. So I'm going to set you on the tripod. I'm going to show you how to swap this. And then I'm going to do this in this video too. If you watched the previous video, I'm swapping out the wood grain for the finish that's in the 2014 Nissan Maxima, which is that one. I also like how the controls, the knobs are, besides I gotta clean them. But these have a more premium finish compared to these. These knobs kind of give me car rental vibes. I'm not sure if any one of y'all feel the same way, but that's what I get with these. So I'm swapping that out as well, and then everything else. So in this video, I'm swapping this, but while I got that out, I'm also going to be swapping out the bottom portion, knock it out in one shot. And then if the days continue being nice as it is today, today's actually the first nicest day we had since the end of last year, 2024. But yeah, so I'm going to set you on the tripod, and then I'm going to show you how to swap that. All right, so to remove this is clips all around. So the best way I would say to remove the top portion is start off on the hard plastic, so on the radio face plate. But you also want to be careful to where you're not damaging this, scratching it, or in any kind of way. So just dig right in between here, so in between this portion and down here. So just dig. Sorry about that. Dig like towards the corner and pop it out. And make sure you got something very, very thin. So this is like the thinnest flathead, or you can use a metal sponger. I don't know where my metal sponger is. I use it for all kinds of things. So just pull out. So now all this is free. And then for the top portion, grip this portion and pull towards you. And then right behind, there's a clip right there, and then there is also a clip right here. So since I'm holding the camera, I'm going to try to do this with one hand. Just push down on that tab right there, and then pull it back. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Well, yeah. So, and then it's hard trying to hold the camera. It's easier. All right, so I'm holding it. So I'll push down on the top portion. I think my fingers are too big for this one. All right, I'm gonna need both hands, but you just push down on this tab and then pull it up. And then you got one more tab right here that's on the passenger side. Just push in on this tab and then pull it out. All right. So this is fully out right now. This is going to be going into that Maxima. And then the one I took out from that Maxima is going into this one. All right, so now we're going to get this portion and reconnect the 3 connectors. So this one right here connects to that one on the driver's side. This middle one connects right here. And then this one connects right there. So 1, 2, all right. And then all of these are guides to go into their corresponding slots on the dash. And then you also got metal tabs that clip in as well all around. So just line everything up. And once you got everything lined up, just press it into place. And then of course I gotta clean all the parts. But that's how you swap out the center console piece for the radio. That's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.